Imagine working in a company where Saturdays are already working and then they ask you to work on a Sunday too. Yeah, that's what happened with me. I had to wake up early to go for work on a Sunday.
So there is this shoot thing that I need to get done.
For obvious reasons, I woke up resentful.
I don't wanna be there. I hate it.
That's not a good way to wake up. I reached the shoot location, met some really talented people, and then I did what I do the best, people watching. There was this kid playing with a cycle / tire. Then there was this another kid. He was running around laughing, and then he stopped when he saw some people walking. I think it's a metaphor. When you are running, you feel free, but when you stop, you feel the depth. I don't know.
The shoot is done. I'm waiting for my cab. I even ordered food.
Waited for my cab for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. That day, the cab drivers decided to be on a strike.
What a lucky day.
One eternity later.
Cab आ गई है.
I don't even like pasta, still ordered it. Sometimes I like to surprise myself. I came back home and slept like a bull. On Monday, I felt like a zombie. On Tuesday, I had to go for another shoot. At this point, I don't even know what sleep is.
Oh man.
Also, I got a tiny pimple on my nose because obviously when something goes wrong in your life, that's when everything goes wrong in your life. This shoot was about a football event, and guess what my first task was? Doing makeup for men. I'm not a pick-me when I say this. I don't know how to do makeup. So when God tests me, they skip the tutorial or the beginner level. My first level is always the super hard or the expert level. The makeup was all over my jeans, my face. It stressed me out. So I went to grab a drink. Sponsor me already. I didn't even realize when day turned into night. Then I saw some birds. We went for dinner. I had pizza. And then someone asked me, do you make vlogs?
Yeah.
It was awkward, it was embarrassing. I still don't know what I felt. On my way back, I saw this really cool thing. I sent the video to Kritika. When I came back home, this is what she had to say about my cool video.
ये पुराना हो गया.
Anyway, I had to make a video for Tash Tales, my channel. I did it. I call it a day. The lesson is, I was tired, I was sleepy, I didn't want to do anything. But at the end of the day, I enjoyed everything. And if I have to do it all over again, I think I will do it. And maybe that's the beauty of life. Sometimes you do things that you don't want to do, and when those things are done, no matter what they made you feel, you ended up having fun.